Take two. Alright, so I don't want it to be so serious. So here's the thing. We woke up on time, but we were lazy. We did not pack last night, so we packed today. We didn't load the boat up last night, so we tried to do it today. Didn't work. Didn't work because we don't have the hooks to the front of the car. We'll fix that. So we're in the truck. We're going to King's Landing, to Buffalo Tram, to Katie's Landing. It should be a fun trip. We're trying to beat the renters out there, but it's not working. We had to stop by Publix and we had to get some firewood because you can't get firewood out of the campsite. So we had to get firewood and some starter and stuff like that. We're gonna kind of try to take it easy today, not trying to get all primitive on things. But you know, we'll keep you posted, keep you informed. Trying to figure this vlogging stuff out so that we can help you all out. If you're trying to plan a trip or something like that, I'll get Debbie on camera. Ken and Maria aren't making this trip. Casey's not going to be here. Nobody's going to be here but me and Debbie, which is actually our first camping by ourselves. So we're excited about that too. But we'll, like I said, we'll keep you informed the best we can. Have fun. See ya. If I could figure my camera out, you know, it'd be really nice. Hang on. No, wait a second. I'll be right back. Alright, we made it. 9 o'clock-ish. Let's see. Yep. 9:20, we're unloaded. I'm trying to get in there. I'm not going to film a lot on the first section because it takes us a while to get adjusted. But when you go in, turn left. Just go downstream. Alright.
Yeah. Welcome, entering the waters of Wekiva Springs State Park. King's Landing, blue band turn around.
Show them your band.
2.0 miles.
Your band's blue.
My band
Such a rebel.
is blue. I'm not turning around. Uh-oh. We gotta go to the right.
I'll stay. You just worry about yourself.
You worry about yourself.
You worry about yourself.
Looking for otters. The people ahead of us might have scared them off. Okay, turning it off. The otters are out. I don't know where there he is. Do you see him? Hi, guys. Hi.
3 of them. Don't hide.
Hi, guys.
Pop up.
Cool. I hope I got him.
I hope you did. All 3 of them were.
They were just chilling there.
They might pop back up.
Okay, hold on. There's a There's a big log here. Yeah, I'm thinking they're in there. And they're not gonna come out if they went in there. Maybe we got them in the first one, but I think it was zoomed in too much.
It came in from that right there.
Yeah, that's their home, somewhere in that general vicinity, because that's where we saw them. Well, it's okay. Maybe we got them. 4 miles.
Let's say 2 miles in the woods.
2 miles in the woods, Sean said.
And now it's wide open. Through the pad.
Ta-da! Goodbye.
Do what? We're getting close to otter. Just wide open. Uh-oh, hang on, I got a paddle. Let's see if Debbie can get us out of here. Paddle! Paddle left. I got a paddle. Alright, she doesn't want me to paddle. Paddle right. Gonna hook us. There's Indian Mound. Indian Mound on the left. We might be able to get in there, Dove. See how steep it is going? Alright. That's Indian Mound campsite. See the nice little campsite. This is Otter Mound. We're actually standing on it. Or Otter Camp something or other. Yeah, nice area. Full of raccoons. We have possibly some proof. There's Debbie eating lunch. If you look down below this bench, which I sat in front of one time, you see those hairs? Those could very well be raccoon hair.
Check the other one.
Because they climb up underneath that to come get your stuff. There's no raccoon hair up underneath. Oh, there's something right there, but you probably can't see it. Anyways, this is it. Nice little spot. Nice place to hang a hammock too. And then big tree that hangs over. It's pretty cool. I climbed up it, but it's too deep or too shallow to jump in. There's a spot. To the left. You go left when you get to this sign right there. I'll be back. That's right there. That's our campsite. It says Buffalo Tram primitive site. We didn't take a whole lot of video like through the island and stuff like that. It was really makes us a little bit nervous paddling through because there's so many people. Took a couple snapshots just to show. And then we stopped at another island and I didn't take video of that because some potheads came up and we decided to get out of there. So we're almost to camp, and we'll talk to you in a little bit. All right, so this is the outside of the campsite. We just pulled in. You can see it's a little bit tight, but not bad. It's easy to get into. And that's how you know where you're at. Hang on, I gotta wipe this lens off. Debbie keeps on splashing water. That's Debbie. Hi, Debbie. And then here is the site. We saw the people that left here on the river. They had left just a little while ago. I was kind of worried that it wouldn't get cleaned up yet, but it's not bad at all. And it looks like their fire still has a little bit of stuff in it, so we might take advantage of that. But I don't know where we'll set our tent up. Probably right here, so we can have a clear view of the fire if we decide to lay down. All right. I thought there was a picnic table, but I was wrong.
No picnic table.
Down there is, that's the Ranger's Trail, and evidently you can walk in here from somewhere, I don't know. This one you can hike to, Debbie says. Alright, so we made it. We're at camp. There's Debbie. Showed you all the key points on the, saw the otters. We didn't get really good video of them.
Debbie didn't get good video.
Well, Debbie doesn't see very good, so she couldn't tell that she wasn't on them. We'll get them next time. We see them. I don't know that we've been out here and not seen them. We did realize that not being out here, the distances that we thought were, like for an example in the wooded area. Wooded area is about 2 miles long, where you really got to kind of notice everything in the water. Then the otters are normally about halfway into the wooded area, which when you paddle it you'll see. We try to take a little bit of video of the differences in terrain. But we did right around 10 miles. It took us about 4 hours or so. We didn't take very many breaks at all. So when Maria's with us, we have to remember to schedule breaks. Not that she's needing them, but she likes them. She enjoys them. There was an island that we stopped at that we didn't show because it is a private island. We don't get in the island, and a lot of people party there. We stopped there because it's the only place after Wekiva Island to get out of your boat for a few minutes. So next time we come out, we'll show you that. This smoke is getting in my eyes. Ow, it's killing me. I'm dying. Oh. Take two. So camp set up. We're just chilling. We're not doing anything. We have no plans. The fire's working out okay. It's not as good as we wanted, but we're gonna improvise with that too. And we'll probably go to bed really early. So, because we're tired and we don't care and we're old. So get over it. All right. We'll see you. Say bye.
Bye. Get out on me.
Say bye.